Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Virgin Points on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. And in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. Also, in the very middle of the screen, we have a deep book a flight option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Virgin Points on KLM. So first of all, go to the Virgin Atlantic website and log into your flight club account. And then use the search function to find KLM flights. You can do this by entering your destination, city, and travel dates. Choose KLM flight that fits your schedule. Look for the option to book with Virgin Points. You'll be able to see the number of points required for the flight. Then follow the prompt to complete your booking using your Virgin Points. Keep in mind that you can only book KLM flights through Virgin Atlantic, not directly on the KLM website. Also ensure that your flying club membership number is added during the booking to earn points on your KLM flight. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.